The once hairiest man on TV has done a little bit today to restore his reputation. Thanks to the British Hair Clinic.
My name is Richard Keys. I'm laughing because I've heard the joke, but not that. What an irony that someone who spent his lifetime trying to remove hair finds himself in the British Hair Clinic looking for them to add hair. I mean, you couldn't make it up, really. But anyway, here we are at the direction of Jason McAteer, who's been through this process and looks well for it. Well, at least that's what he told me. And Sam Matterface, a very good friend of mine who I worked with at TalkSport for a while. Sam I spoke to this morning, and he said, brilliant, easy, you'll love it. So on the recommendation of two guys I trust well, here we are. Yeah, there's a lot more there than I thought. It's thin, isn't it? So that's the new hairline. That's where the new hairline will be. Here we go. You'll never notice, they said. You'll see.
Here goes the recovery process, which I'm told is as comfortable and as easy as the operation. So, stage 2.